Hey, welcome in my channel, and this is my channel, one of the most beautiful and powerful channel in YouTube. This is Piero from a strange country called Italy. I don't know if you never heard about Italy, but of course you don't have a great opinion. That's normal, brother. So let's go to see in this tutorial something interesting. I noticed that notebooks, if you do some stuff, you can prolong much the length time of battery. For example, when you need to navigate an internet, you don't need to do something particular. You can just to use some tools that I think are really powerful, and you can prolong the battery for 500% really, because they limit energies, resources, and power of the CPU, so that you can use the notebook without any problem with the battery. Now I'm using the plug, but if you use the first stuff that I use is TLP, and you need to write the sudo TLP start in AC mode. AC is a current, but if I remove, and now I remove the plug, unplug, and you can see that it started in battery mode, and this is a great tool that remove a lot of stuff. For example, the USB stuff, if you don't need it put off, and some and more. But it's a great tool. This the stuff that I do to prolong my battery time. And another stuff that I think is very important is to limit the power of. First, what you need to do is to check if in the processes stuff something. You can see that I have Chrome is lately became really a bit bot became, because you see a lot of resources. Okay, and you can see the most process the PID, so that you can close. For example, this is the PID, and if I do kill this, here we go. You see that Chrome got off, got in the buff, because we didn't need to. Okay, and close it Chrome, and let's see if it's better. Okay, let's see the process. My God, and let's take again this create command, and you can see that it's appeared. Now it's simple screen recorder. This tool is recording the video, and it's taking the CPU, of course. But let's go here. This is a tool. cpupower is a great tool, and you can see it writing CPU power frequency.info. You can see that my hardware limits is this. Current of CPU frequency is 800 MHz, and I can just put with this command, I can set the CPU frequency set, and I can put just, for example, and you can see that it's just a little more better, or I can just put this, and you can see that it's more responsive. You can see, and of course, but when you are navigating and like this, I suggest you to execute this command, and you can see the range supported hardware 400, and this 3 4, and this you can understand this current is 1 and 6, and so on. If I need only to navigate, the first stuff I do is to put the luminance better, because you can see if you put like this, the battery will die soon. I think this 30% is a great compromise, I think. like this you can the battery is really more. I take like this, and my eyes doesn't suffer, they don't suffer if I put light like this. Okay. I think it's a great and is the volume. Okay, and let's go here, and we saw this great command. So what you do when you do your battery doesn't take much. First stuff, TLP is great, so TLP start, and this start the TLP, this tool. If you don't have, let's go TLP, install TLP, but of course is already installed, my Ubuntu is running, and like this. If you use Windows, I suggest you to install Linux. This is Ubuntu, I think it's a great distro, the 19 distro, and my notebook is enough good. I think, as you can see, my hardware is respectable, is i5 8, the 9th generation, and you can see that I have a good I have a good RAM. I have 24 giga. I bought on Amazon, and like this. Another tool I just suggest is psensor. With this tool, you can see the consume, the temperature, and like this. And I think CPU power and TLP. And now this command I put in the video. Thanks for watching, and subscribe the channel immediately.